coming out so slowly, but what I'm seeing here, I think it looks good. So.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog today. It's Monday morning, it's very cold again and rainy and dark. I'm wearing 2 sweaters. What is this spring summer situation? Well, it's going to be better by the end of the week, I think. I hope. I'm so ready to have some more sun again. So this week I'm going to work some more on the print club. Today I'm going to make stickers. I got the supplies for them, so I'm ready to make everything. Then I also want to work on the letter. So I have to write the letter, but I also want to work on the layout and on the back of the paper and how it's all going to look. And I want to make some prints ready to go on the website again. My first print order arrived today and I got a lovely message from the customer. She absolutely loved it. She loved the painting. It was so beautiful. She loved the quality of the paper and she was really happy with it. So that's really good news. That makes me happy when the customer is really happy. So that's great.
So I just printed the first sticker sheet, and as you can see, the colors are really not good. They're very dark and a bit dull. So I also tried out cutting out some of them, and I'm seeing if I like the line around it, you know, the cutting line. I think I should make it thicker, the stroke line as you call it, and also maybe give it a color instead of the white. So I have been doing some more test prints, actually not on sticker paper, so maybe that was a bit dumb, but I tested out some settings and I think the bottom one here is pretty good, and I also like this new line here, stroke line. It's a nice color and a better width. I'm also going to laminate them, so here I tried a bit of lamination. If you can see it, it's not even on straight, but just to try it out. This is a matte lamination, and I also ordered a glossy one, but that doesn't arrive until the end of the week, and of course not on the good print. So yeah, it's going to be more like this, which is going to be much better. Look at that violet. I really love those accents of color that you don't really expect, but actually looks really good. So now for a little bit of a moment of truth. I put all the stickers together on one sheet and I'm going to print it on a sticker sheet, and hopefully the colors will be okay. And then we can make stickers all we want. It's coming out so slowly, but what I'm seeing here, I think it looks good. So fingers crossed. Right. Here we go. That's looking really good. Okay, I think the ink has to dry a little bit on this type of paper, but after that I'm going to laminate it and see what that looks like, and then we're going to cut some out. Alright, so now I'm going to put on this lamination sheet, the matte lamination, and we can just do a test. I'm sure that I have to find a way to do this in the future. I should have like a squeegee or something, I don't know how you call it, to like push it on, but it feels like this is going pretty well. Okay, so the sheet is quite a bit bigger. I didn't realize that. And now I have to iron out the bubbles. There are some bubbles in here. Maybe I can take a card. So there's obviously going to be a bit of a learning curve on these types of things. And this was not the way to do it. I really felt like it was going on super well. And now there are all kinds of bubbles everywhere. Okay, that didn't really go to plan, but I know what to look for next time. So it's fine, it's just a test run. So now I don't have a Cricut machine yet. Hopefully I'll get enough subscribers on my print club and then I can get one. But for now I'm just going to cut it out. And I'm really testing out if I like the matte or the gloss. And as I don't have the gloss yet, we'll have to wait for those.
It's now the next week. I didn't film anything anymore. Last week I was feeling sick really. I coughed a lot and I was really low energy. I did do some work, but I just didn't film anything. I've been busy with the stickers and I just printed this. So these are going to be the stickers for the Print Club first edition. And I don't know what happened. Something weird happened here, but that's okay. It's just 2 stickers less. So we're going to put lamination on these now. I did get the glossy lamination in. So we're going to put that on now. And then we're going to cut everything out. So we have a nice little stack. I also got the envelopes and I have the print, which I have to print out some more, and then we can pack some and then we can film some nice videos so I can promote it some more on Instagram and also here on YouTube. I got 2 subscribers, which is really great. But for the first edition, I was hoping to get a little bit more, and we'll see if we can manage that now that we have everything together and we can make some beautiful footage. Okay, so that worked out much better than last time, but I see there are still some tiny little spots on some of them. So 3 of these are not good enough, so I'm going to discard those, but let's start cutting out the rest of them. Believe that at the beginning of this vlog I was actually complaining about it being cold, because now it's raging hot here in whole of Europe. So that's crazy. I just got a new package with all kinds of supplies and really happy that it came in because I was in need of some things. I got some yellow, cadmium yellow. I was out of it, and this is one of the primary colors that I really need. So that wasn't very ideal. And I got some more white. Really happy with these big tubes because normally I had these. So that's quite a big difference. I got some more blue and also this one. This is one of my favorite colors. I also got 2 new paint brushes. So I got a round tip and a smaller flat brush than the one I have. I was always painting with a slightly bigger brush because I want to keep things loose. And with a bigger brush, you don't really get too much in all the details. But I think it would be good to have some of these to do some details, maybe. I'm going to try it out. And what I also got is a sketchbook. So with this 100-day painting challenge, I want to paint every day, or at least when it's possible. I'm going on holiday soon, and then it will be difficult to paint, and I don't want to bring all my oil paints in a hot car, and I'm scared that I will ruin all my paints. I did that last year, not oil paint, but gouache, and like all of them dried out. It was really a shame. I don't want to do that this year, so I thought I would bring pastels and maybe some watercolor paint. And I got this sketchbook that I want to paint in. It's a bit different than I thought it would be. So let me take this off. So it's really like handmade or something, and it's really rugged here. Rugged, is that how you say it? It has watercolor paper in it, and it's a bit different than I thought it would be. I'm not sure if I want to keep, well, I'm going to keep this one, but if I'm going to bring this one, I'm going to try out if this is what I actually wanted. It was not that expensive, so about 18 euros, I think it was. It wasn't like 50 euros or something. So I'm for sure going to use it, but perhaps for my holiday, I will get another one as well. So I'm just going to plug my print club one more time to get over this 2 subscriber number, hopefully. So I've got the letter here. On the outside, we've got some lovely stripes. Then we've got all the goodies in here. So a sticker, a lovely glossy sticker, a mini print, and this is the print I went with. I would love to have you as a member. And I have one more question for you. So I have been posting vlogs for a few weeks now, and well, the views are pretty low, and I think it's because the algorithm kind of hates me that I'm putting out very different content than before. I wanted to ask you if you could maybe help me by liking this video or commenting or subscribing, like pushing all the buttons, and it would really help me and perhaps give the algorithm a little bit of a nudge in the right direction. That would be really helpful. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next week.